It's not a right video without the hair whip. What's up, BBs? Hey, vlog. Okay, I know you can't even see me, but
we know that we can't see you. Why would you film an intro right there? Like, ew, why am I looking over there? Use your mind. Like, oh my God. Literally use your mind. Okay? Thanks. Bye.
we're not very far. Say hello, Brooke. Oh, you can't even see Brooke. Okay, well, I have an idea. Oh yeah, Brooke's like.
Oh, Brooke has an amazing idea. We all need to know what it is.
Has an idea. Hey, vlog! Everyone say hello!
I am so annoying. Oh my God.
You guys ready for a super awesome night? Get ready because it's coming.
I don't think we are ready for an awesome night, so better get ready, folks. So buckle your seatbelt and let's go.
Oh my God! Yeah, we're going on the log ride because Mackenzie and Audrey don't want to go on any cool rides. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just tell you why we're going on the log ride for losers. So pretty much, it wasn't even fun. So we waited in line, and I had already finished my Starbucks. So I got my Starbucks like 5 minutes before, like not even, and I was so like tired at like 7:30 at night that I finished it and all my coffee was gone. And then after I finished it, we were waiting in line, and then we're like, okay, so we'll split up 3 and 3. So Mackenzie, Audrey, and Rachel, me, Brooke, and Kaden, right? It didn't end up working out that way because Mackenzie and Audrey are too scared to do anything. So they wanted 4 people to ride with them. No, Kaden was just being rude and then decided to ride with Mackenzie and Audrey and not Brooke and I. So just breaking it down for you, Kaden is mean because he didn't ride with Brooke and I on the log ride.
Because they're losers, so let's see what happens.
Wow, look at Brooke being the beautiful person that she is. Wow, why is Audrey just so
Okay,
cute?
we're about to go eat din din. There's probably no vegan options,
where are we
but
going?
whatever.
We're going to Johnny
Yeah, we're going to go
Rockets.
eat din din. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys later. So, say hello to the vlog.
Fuck your vlog.
Sorry Kaden was using such inappropriate language in the vlog. I'll beep it out if I can.
Okay, kids, we're back. Sorry I didn't even vlog that much, but I was having a fun time.
Pretty rough right there. Not now. Then, because do you see my hair? My hair is everywhere. It's 1:30 in the morning. Like, weren't we supposed to be back at school by 1:30? Question mark.
But just an update, our bus driver was supposed to be here 20 minutes ago.
Not even 20 minutes ago. More like an hour and 20 minutes ago.
Still not here. He's a psychopath.
Action, sociopath. 2 different things, sociopath. Period.
Period. So, we're just straight in the Knott's Berry Farm parking lot, at 1:30 in the morning. That's just how life works, I guess. So, pray for me, please.
Enjoy the vlog, even though it wasn't that much. I didn't get that much footage, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it because it was really fun and you got to see a day into my... You got to see how, you just gotta watch the vlog. You're welcome. Bye.